Hello, bro. Sorry. Remember me? Yes, I remember you. I remember every one of you, bro. Sorry, I wasn't present here. I was washing my face. Hold on, wait a minute. Give me a second, guys. I hope you can hear me. Am I audible to you? Please tell me. Hey, yo, wait, guys. I just dropped my glasses. Wait. Hello, Sparky Take. How are you? Yo. I hope you guys can see me and I am audible to you. Wait, let me put on my headphones. I don't know why, but I have a habit of using headphones for no reason. Sorry, I was a little bit late. I should have started this stream a bit early. So, in today's live, we are going to convert my RC controller. This one. Can you see this? I hope you can. Let me check my OBS. Yeah, I have this RC controller, and in today's live we are going to control this. We are going to convert this RC controller into gaming console. So as you can see, I have made this RC controller using NRF24 module. This one, uh, Arduino Nano, and two joysticks. I have shown this RC controller in my previous lives. So today we are going to convert this into uh what do we call that, gaming console. Yeah, gaming console. Yes, bro, I remember your challenge and I'm working on that. I have started working. So, okay, little update about your challenge. I was a bit busy and I couldn't give enough time. So, recently I started it. And then I decided to build a simple Wi Fi controlled car, and I will put one something to fire like flamethrower like thing. You can use a lighter. Then I'm thinking of using heat. You know heat, HIT, that uh, what we call that, pesticide killer, pesticide spray. Yeah. So I'm thinking of using that with a MG995 servo motor and one. Yeah, and we will control that using our smartphone, and it will be a flamethrower robot. And we can add some more things to it, like we can add Raspberry Pi, we can add face recognition, so whenever it detects someone it will throw flames. Okay. And I'm thinking of make it a smaller version of it. So I have this chassis ready here, I have this base ready. I hope you can see this. uh is my video and layout okay, or should I change something like my face cam or this camera? If you feel like that, please make sure you tell me. Okay, I need to do some adjustments here. Best of luck. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm working on your challenge. So in today's video, what we are going to do is we will convert this RC controller to a gaming console. So the idea is, you guys, I think you guys know what gaming consoles are. Everyone is gamer right now. So yeah, I hope you know. Let me do some adjustment here. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I'll show you something. And I have some crazy projects related to our live stream, like the way you and me, we guys interact. I have some projects for that, like really good, like interactive. I don't want to reveal everything now, but just keep in mind that I have some crazy projects upcoming, and all those projects are related to our live stream, like the way you and me guys interact. I'm thinking to change that. We will go a step further. Okay, so let's get started here. Wait. So this is my RC controller, and these are some Arduino. This is Arduino Uno, and other than that, hi bro, Advait. Hello, how are you? And I have this PCB thing. Like I made this baseboard for Arduino Nano and NRF24. Okay, so let's put everything aside, and I will show you some things. Like I have this some of these NRF24 modules. Okay, so this is NRF24 module. Do you guys know what NRF module is? Okay, so I'll tell you. NRF24 module is a trans receiver RF module. Mm, it works on a 2.4 gigahertz, and this is a trans receiver. It means it can transfer data, and at the same time it can receive. So yeah, so in I think you guys can find a video where I built this RC controller. So it was you don't know about NRF. So yeah, this is just NRF24 module. You can search about it. I can't explain it in detail, but I will tell you in a brief. You can control things with it. Like it is a trans receiver, so it can transmit data, and at the same time it can receive. Not really same time, but yeah, it can work as a transmitter and receiver both. So it works on a SPI communication. You can use it with Arduino, ESP, or any microcontroller. I have plenty of this, and using that module I have built this, and this is also NRF24 module, NRF24AL01 plus PALAN. Are you planning to buy a flash card? Not really. I'm not planning to buy. I want one, but let me get some money first, as I fund my own projects here. So yeah, my hairs are. Am I looking good? I know you won't say no. Okay, so I built this to control RC cars and stuff. I have made a video. Let me show you. I have made a video where no, it wasn't really tutorial, but I just told you all how I built this thing. And after that, I used NRF24 module for one of my another projects where I controlled multiple robots, multiple Arduino cars using gyroscope, MPU 6050 and NRF module. Okay, I'll show you this video. Give me a second. Okay, so this is the video. You can check this out. It's on my channel, and make sure you hit the like. Okay, so this is the same RC controller, and it has maximum 2 MB of speed, 2 MB per second. I don't know if it's really 2 MB, but you can change that in your code. Like you can make it 250 KB, you can make it 1 MB, you can make it 2 KB, 2 MB, sorry. So yeah, these were the required components: joysticks, NRF24 adapters to NRF24 modules, and to Arduino Unos. And yeah, I built that here. This was the code. You can get code and everything here. So today we are going to control this into a gaming console. What is a gaming console? And let's search about gaming console first. Gaming console for PC. So these are some gaming consoles. Costs around 2000, more than 2000, 6000. And today we are going to build this from scrap. Let me check my chats here, guys. I can't read your chats on my PC. Okay, what is its range? So if you talk about range of NRF24 modules, it goes up to, they say it goes up to 1 kilometers. But what I have experienced this is I could control my RC car from around 200 meters in my college campus. So there are so many Wi-Fi networks around my college campus. So it affects on that our transmitter receiver's range. So I will say you can control your RC car or something from around 200 meters max. Oh, that's what I have experienced. Also, it depends on where the location or the surroundings. It gives better in urban, not rural areas where there are no any other waves, or say like 2.4 hertz gigahertz frequencies or something like that. I don't know the. Are you in college now? Uh, right now I'm in my flat, or say hostel room PG. Yeah, I live in a flat with my friends, and yeah, I'm in college. I'm in second year. Okay, so this is our RC controller. Check this out, guys. This is gaming console. Okay, so this is gaming console, and this is our RC controller. So today we are going to make this thing into this thing. So let's see if we can do this or not, because I'm not sure if I can convert this thing into RC controller. No, sorry, not really RC, into gaming console. So yeah, let's check. So I'll show you some things before that. Okay, first of all, I just want to tell you guys that it wasn't planned. I just came here on the stream. I wasn't planning to build this, but my friend said you should stream right now. Tonight you are free, you should stream. I wasn't going to stream tonight, but he motivated me, so yeah, we'll stream. I think I need to fix my hairs. I'm not looking good today. I went to Shivaji University in Kolhapur. It's really nice. Bro, you were here in my town. Shivaji University is really nice. There are some foreigner students too. Okay, let's get back to work. So this is our receiver side. As you can see, I can't disconnect this USB. This is our receiver. As you can see, I have used NRF modules, right? Yeah, NRF modules. This one is NRF 24. Actually, these both modules are same, but there are different one. And these two are antennas. And I'm going to connect the antenna here. Guys, should I post this stream? You guys think it's worth to share link of this stream on my Instagram? I think I should, because but I feel shy to share about my streams on Instagram. I don't know how they gonna react. Like, I should not think about that, what others think, but still it feels like I'm not doing that well to share it on my Instagram stories and stuff. Okay, I'll do that because I need views, because at the end it all comes to views and how much you make and how much you enjoy. I enjoy these, but to enjoy it more, I need viewers. So yeah, I should post it as you guys say. Can you guys give me a second? Not really second, a minute. I'll just share this thing on my Instagram. Okay, so this is RC controller which I made around in February or January. So this is a 7 channel. What does it mean? Why it's 7 channel? So this is joystick. It has channel 1, 2, and the button 3. Are you in holidays now? No, it's my first day of college today. I went to college. I attended 2 lectures. Then there wasn't any lecture or practical, so I came back after 12 p.m. 12 a.m. Yeah, 12 p.m. Okay, so this is joystick 1, joystick 2. This is X. Sorry, this is Y, X, and this is a push button. And same goes with this one. And this is a potentiometer. You can control brightness or something like that. Brightness, servomotors angle. So you are like your stream is real smooth, and I too wanted to do. Actually, we have Wi-Fi in our room. Airtel 40 Mbps. So yeah, it works well right now, as there are two people in another room. They are using the same Wi-Fi network. They are using it for I don't know, Instagram or something like that. Also, I'm streaming, I'm searching, and also I'm watching my stream here to check chats and all. So yeah, it works. Sometimes I stream GTA. I have another secret channel. There I stream GTA 5 online, and sometimes I do uh, Hogwarts Legacy. I like that game, Hogwarts Legacy, but people call it boring. Yeah, I found it boring, but if you are a Harry Potter fan, then you will play that. That's what I feel. Okay, guys, give me a second and I'll be back to our project. Okay. Okay, so I just want to clarify that I don't know if we gonna complete this project tonight or not. I'm just trying to build this RC. Sorry, I'm just trying to convert this RC controller into gaming console because I wanted, like, I play GTA a lot. I used to play Modern Combat. And I like GTA Online. So I just wanted to try this. Let's see if we can build or not. Just give me a minute. And if you guys have any idea about gaming consoles and how we can make this thing more smooth or something like that, you can share me. Then it will be like we will build it together. Do you have the push button? Actually, I have push button in this joystick, and I'm thinking to add two push buttons here. One is here and another one here. Yeah, this one is here as a trigger, and this one to zoom in or to reload or something like that. I need to add a lot of push buttons, bro. I don't even know how many because I never used gaming console. I never had one gaming console. You will need four buttons to play in GTA 5. Okay, I'll explain. Give me a minute. I will explain what I planned with this thing. Also, I don't know whether this is Arduino controller will work with GTA 5. I have another plan for that. I will explain. Just give me a minute. It will work in older games. Let's see. I don't even know, but I just planned something and I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Steering and clutch. Yes, that's also I have planned this. I had this steering. Let me show you. I think I have shown this in my previous stream, but I'll show you. I have this old steering from a what you call that, RC car, toy car. I don't know where is that steering right now. Let me see if I. Okay, got it. This is okay. This is a steering. Actually, basically, this is a remote of RC car, and I have added this potentiometer here, and I have plan. I'll use this potentiometer, and this will be A, this will be D, and I will add brake, accelerator, and one reverse gear, and I will build a sim. You guys know sim. So yeah, I'm thinking to build this. It looks cool. Either I'm going to use this steering or I will build separate one using this material, sunboard. Okay, so you were asking about how you gonna control GTA. Let's see. Okay, let me tell you how it's gonna work. So as you guys can see, what is the total cost of making this transmitter along with receiver? Okay, so if you talk about total cost of this transmitter receiver, it was around 700. I think, yeah, 700, 800. Okay, let's break this down. I got this for 180 rupees. Yeah, around 1000. I got this for 180 rupees. So two of these, take it as a 200. So it becomes 400. Then this NRF module for around 130 rupees. So it becomes 130 into 2, 260. 260 plus 400, 660. Then we have two adapters. I bought one for 35 rupees. So we had 660, then add 70 rupees to it. Then it became 660 plus 70. It becomes 730. Then two joysticks, which costed me 60 rupees. Then 790 PCB and all that. So yeah, it goes around 800 to 900 without batteries. Without batteries, it goes around 800 to 900. And with batteries and cell holder, add 200 extra. So it all goes to 1000 rupees. But the thing is, you can modify it as you want. Like as you can see, I'm trying to convert it into a gaming console. Okay, let me check if my Instagram story is correct or not. Okay, so you were asking about how you gonna play GTA. So this will be your first joystick will be your WASD. This will be W, this will be S, this will be A, and this will be D. And this will control mouse aim. Like if you do this, it will control mouse. I don't know how. I never did that, but let's see. This will control mouse, and this will, I don't know how we gonna use this potentiometer. I have this potentiometer here, and I thought of this to control servo motor angles, brightness, or something like that. And I'm thinking of adding two buttons right here. One is here and another is here. Okay, so let's see. Let me show you something. I have a code ready. I used ChatGPT for it as usual. I use ChatGPT a lot. I should not, but I use that. I don't know because I'm not that skilled, but I have some ideas and I can't just establish good connection with electronic suppliers. Uh, yeah, I have a little bit, but I use online websites like Robo and all that. RoboCraze. Ask whether GTA 5 will support Arduino. Okay, yeah, you were asking that. So we're not gonna use this directly with our PC as it Arduino doesn't have HID support. So okay, let me tell you about HID. So HID support means you can just use your microcontroller. It can be ESP32, ES2 or S3 board. It can be Arduino Pro Mini Micro. So you can use those boards as a keyboards. Like you code them to perform that task, and when you press button, that Arduino will send directly the key value of the key. Like if you press something, it will send W. So basically, yeah, you can use that microcontroller directly to communicate with our uh, PC without needing any script or something like that. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I will connect this Arduino through USB to our laptop, and now this thing will send all values and commands, values from joysticks and everything. This will receive, this will send this to our laptop. Now the laptop will take this through serial port, and I have a Python script. It will convert this values received from this Arduino into values we require. Like values we will convert that. Like if I press this or press this, and if this sends W, then the Python script will take that W, then it will convert. I don't know how it works. I just chat GPT it, but it will work. I feel like that because I have built something like that previously. What I did, I took one ultrasonic sensor. Here is my ring light. Yeah, so yes, I'm using Python. I have this ring light here. I attach that ultrasonic sensor and I raise that above around 6 feet. And you know T-Rex game, that dinosaur jumping game. So yeah, so when I was jumping, the dinosaur was jumping. So it was real life T-Rex game. You can build that for fun. Just use Arduino, use one ultrasonic sensor, stick that to ceiling, and you just have to jump. and it's really fun. You can't even score 100 or 150. It's really hard, but it's fun. You can try it out. I tried it. So yeah, that's what I do. I don't know enough coding or anything, but I just execute. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Let's turn on this. Should I show you guys what's on my screen? Okay, this is my receiver and I'm connecting this to my PC. Let's see if it works or not. Yeah. So the LED is blinking. Same here. I also don't know code, but I built stuff. Yeah. I'm a hobbyist, bro. Like I'm not an inventor or something like that. I'm a hobbyist. Me too. I'm learning. Like I know enough C. I know enough Python. I never built like website or something. I never developed something like that in software or IT field. I can code these things too. These things, and I know a little bit of Python. Okay, now the LEDs are blinking, so it means that the connection is established and I can control, I can send values from this transmitter to receiver. Let me show you what's on my screen. Okay, I think you guys can see. Check this out. This is what receiver is receiving now. I will adjust the delay later, like I will decrease the delay. I need the delays, I think it's around 100. I will decrease it to 20. Yeah, around 20. So we can get all the values very fast. As you can see, the values are changing here. I have raised 254. 250. Yeah, it's working. I hope you guys can see. So are you planning to get placed in IT? No, I don't want to get placed in IT. Either I'm going to do these things rest of my life, or I will do job somewhere in robotics field. That's why I'm learning robotics. I don't know enough, but I'm learning. I just started. So I hope how to program Arduino using Python. I don't know. You can't really program Arduino using Python. Let's see. I'm not sure. I think no, you can't program Arduino using Python, but still I might be wrong. Arduino in Python. Yes, you can program. Yeah, it's not the traditional method of writing code directly on the Arduino board. Arduino boards are primarily you can use Python to interact. This is a popular method, but it's easy, bro. It's easy to program the Arduino using C++. It will be more complicated if you go with Python. That's what I feel. Okay, so this is receiver side, as you guys can see, and it's receiving values. I'll show you what's going on here in my hand. I hope you can see. Okay, so as I push the joysticks here and there, you can see the values change in values. As I press the buttons, you will see 1 1 in front of those button. So these are my old codes. So what I'm going to do is I will take these codes, I will give it to ChatGPT, and I will tell him to do some modifications in it. By the way, these codes are my own codes. Not really own. I got these codes from Max Imaginations tutorial. Not as it is. Then I spent whole day to modify this as per my RC controller, as it has two joysticks and all that. I added some extra things here. Then I made a receiver side code using like same thing. I added connections of motors, like you can control your RC car with this. These are connections for L2910 motor driver. Then this is to control the speed, PWM pins. Actually, it's not really accurate. I don't think pin number 6 and 7 are PWM. Yeah, pin number 6 and 7 are not PWM. So if you want to use this code, just change this to change this. How did you learn program? Okay, I learned from YouTube. So you know you can't learn everything properly. Nah, you can learn. I wasn't good enough. So yeah, I learned everything from YouTube, and I'm not that pro, but you can be pro. You just have to dedicate some time. So I'll share this code after this stream. Just comment down after this stream, or you just can comment down. I will pin this code, or I will put this in description. Okay, so what I did is I went to ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT about my okay. I told ChatGPT. I gave ChatGPT my codes. Let me show you something. So this is my old code. I gave ChatGPT this code, and I said ChatGPT, remove all things for used for like motors and stuff, the pins we used for motor. So ChatGPT removed all things like loops. There were some loops, as you can see. This is our receiver's code, and here are some void setup pin mode. There are some loops here, so I removed those loops. And now what we're gonna do is we will create another sketch. I'll close this one, and I will try new code. I'll try new code. Okay, so same goes with receiver side. I had a code for receiver, sorry, transmitter. Okay, this is our transmitter's original code, which I had in this RC controller. Can I code from scratch? Okay, if you want to code from scratch, don't go with ChatGPT. Sorry, kids, it's not for you. Don't use ChatGPT. I use, but I started with smartphone. Like I used to code using my mom's smartphone. So I never started with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a new thing. I started using around year or 2 years ago. That's it. And if you want to learn coding, just go. Depends on what type of code you want to learn. If you want to learn only programming for Arduino, I'll suggest a channel called Electronics and Engineering. Sorry, E&E. Mm, Electronics and Engineers, or go with Last Moment Tutorials. They have the best Arduino tutorials out there. Also there is channel called Roboshala. These are the guys I learned from. I started learning around when I was in 7th or 8th standard, 8th standard, 8th, ninth. Yeah, 8th and ninth. Please show the challenge. Okay, the channel. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so electronics and I don't know the exact channel. Engineers Arduino. Engineers and electronics. Sorry, it wasn't electronics and engineers. Okay, this is the Arduino programming series in Hindi. And shout out to these guys. Because of these guys, I learned the basics. Okay, they have the tutorials like the structure of programming. And don't use ChatGPT at the start. You should know the basics, like how the code works, how you get input outputs, how you define pins, pin modes, and all that, how loops work, all that stuff. So this is the complete series. You can check it out. Just go with this flow, and yeah, it worked for me. I learned everything from this channel. And if you want to go with just like if you want to build projects with these codes, let me show you something. They have another channel. Yeah, electron engineers and electronics. This is also their second series, where they teach you how to blink LED and all that stuff, how to blink LED input output interfacing. You can direct go with this playlist, but I'll suggest to go with that the another series, because they started from basics. Here they teach you how to use display, how to use all the basic components. And Arduino is easy. Hello mom. Hello mummy, जेवला सा? Okay, my mom is in the chat. Shout out to mom. Okay, so it's Arduino is easy, bro. You just have to search about the components you are using, watch some tutorials, and you are good to go. You can build that thing. It's not that easy because there are some errors and stuff, but yeah, you can build. I'm good. I just had dinner and I started streaming. Okay, let's get back to building our RC controller. Jevlo, yeah. Okay, so this is your RC controller, and as you can see, we are getting values. We have established connection and everything. So after that, what we gonna do is, let me show you my Chat GPT tab. Hoi mi Jevlo. By the way, my mom is asking about if I had a dinner or not. Hmm. This is our transmitter's old code, which I have in this transmitter right now. And what I did is, here the transmitter was converting the values into, okay, so basically, in analog, let me show you code. So these joysticks give you output as is from 0 to 1023, which is analog input, or say, yeah, analog output of these joysticks, or say analog input. I'm not sure. Yeah, so they give you 0 to 1023, and you convert that into 5 to 255 when you have to control RC car. Listen, when you want to control an RC car using these joysticks, and you want to control speed, right? So to control the speed, you convert these values from 0 to 1023 into 5 to 255. So that's it. Now what I did is, now we are going to control game, so we don't need here 5 to 255. So I removed this line. What I did is I just removed it, and now it's again 0 to 2023. Let me just copy that code and paste here, and I'll explain later. Okay, this is our transmitter's code. Hello auntie, thank you so much. My mom will be proud. Okay, so this is our transmitters code, where the first is Arduino library, then SPI.h, which is communication, and then here we have RF24, which is for this NRF module. Then we have connected X of this A0. Basically, we have connected X axis of this joystick to A0, which is analog input 1 0, then Y to A1. If you know little bit about Arduino and pinout of Arduino, you can understand this. Same goes with here. And we have connected key, means this button, this push button. We have connected this push button here to pin number 8. So yeah, this is a code. It's not that hard. Initially we took some initial integers, and we initialized with 0. These are some variables. Then this is a 7 channel transmitter, so the arrays are 7, and this is the array, and it stores the data. Then serial communication begins here. We have defined the role of the pins, if the pin is input or output. And basically, yeah, it reads all the values, and it just sends to a receiver. That's it. It sends to receiver, and after that a receiver will receive. Let's see the receiver code. I got this from ChatGPT. Not really ChatGPT. You can't really use AI to code everything. You have to use your own brain. Then you tell that AI what do you want, and all that, how you want that thing, everything, and you get the your required output from that AI. You can't just say to ChatGPT, I want to build a gaming console. You can, but it will be hard if you don't know the basics. So that's why I tell you, uh, go for basics first, then you can learn and you can build stuff. I think I have copied the same code. I think. Okay, this is. Wait. Let me just see the code first. Okay. Okay, this is receiver. I'll put a comment at the top of this code because I don't want to mess up again. Receiver, and I'll put transmitter here. Okay, I haven't tested this code, so let's see if we can if it works or not. Transmitter. Okay, this code is for transmitter and the other one is for receiver. Let's compare these codes. As you can see, here are the connections for joystick, and here are some variables that stores the data received by our transmitter, port value and all. Then it receives the data, and it basically it prints the data to our serial port. Then our laptop's gonna receive that values, readings, or whatever you say, and that's it. And the Python script gonna read all this data, and it will react to that. It will convert that or whatever. Let's see. Okay, my teammate just messaged me. We are preparing for a hackathon, and something went wrong there. Okay, guys, I'll upload the receiver code here. Yeah, I'm uploading receiver code in this Arduino. Okay, uploading is done. I hope. Yeah, we have uploaded the code, and now I'm uploading again. Let me switch the camera. Now I'm uploading this code. Not really this. I'm uploading that transmitter's code in this transmitter. Okay, we are ready to go. I feel like that the code is uploading, still uploading, still uploading. Let's see. Okay, here is a classic problem with these cheap Arduinos, especially Arduino Nanos with CH340 driver. So there is thing called CH340 driver, and can you introduce? Okay, so let me tell you something. My roommates are not here right now. I have some friends in another room. My one roommate is doing internship in ISRO, and another roommate is for holidays. He's not here. He'll be here after 1 or 2 days. These guys are fun. Like my roommates are really fun. They build something like this. They are mechanical guys, so they are pro at 3D printing and all that. Looks good to see you. It looks good to see you, Tony Stark. You come on my every stream, bro. Okay, I'll upload this code again. So my roommates are not here. I'll introduce them in some stream. You can watch my old streams like a year or yeah, more than a year ago. I used to stream just for fun, and me and my roommates we used to had fun, a lot of fun on live. We had a lot of like crazy stuff on streams that I had to delete some live streams because my professors know about my channel and all, so I had to delete those live streams. I'm back, Naveen. Hello, glad that you are back here on the stream. Okay, this is the classic problem about these Arduinos. Let's see what's the hello Arduino projects. How are you, bro? Good to see you back on our stream. Let's compile this code. Remember, yes, bro, I remember. Of course, I remember every one of you. I remember Advait. I remember Arduino projects. I remember Tony Stark. I remember Naveen. And there are some Astro Bengali. I remember you. Then I'm missing Dolly Chaiwala. I'm missing a lot of people today. I'm missing Dolly Chaiwala. I'm missing that. I don't know his name. We watched his videos on live stream. I don't know. I don't remember that boy. He's 13-year-old. Mind satisfactions. Hello, bro. Oh, yo, Virendra Raj Pandey. I remember Tushar. From which college you are? I'm in D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Kolhapur. Tier 3 college. But it's good. Like you can't really complain about my college because it's cool. Okay, what we gonna do is I will save this code as a transmitter, and we will close this tab and we will open. But 17 views today. Yeah, views are really good. I'm happy. Have you heard about swarm bots? Yes. I have seen your new project about army controlled by hand gestures. Thank you so much. Government college? No, it's not really government college. It's private college. I'm starting to do engineering. So which branch should I choose? Depends on your interest, bro. Depends on your interest on and future goals. Like what do you want to do in future? Okay, we should save this code. Wait a minute, guys. I'm replying, bro. Mind satisfaction. I'm replying, and also Tony Stark. I'm replying you. Just I think there is lag in this stream. Okay. Let me just save this code as a gaming console receiver, or just say console transmitter. Is on wasn't receiver. It's transmitter. Trans transmitter. Okay. So you were asking about which uh which branch should I choose? Depends on what do you want to do in future. Like really, depends on your interest. Hello, I'm back. Glad that you are back. And I don't think I can do. I can even pass exams in chemical engineering. Do you know about CubeSat? Yes, I know about CubeSat, and we are working on one right now. Not really working. We are planning, and that's what going on here on background. Like my teammate is messaging on our group. Something has happened there. I'll check that later. There are plenty of people. They are taking care of that project. So yeah, bro, from which branch? Okay, I am from electronics and telecommunication. I wanted to do mechatronics engineering, so I couldn't get into mechatronics. So the closest thing was electronics and telecommunication. So I chose that. I'm working on it. That's cool, bro. BTW, are you thinking of sending it to atmosphere, like outer space type shit? Okay. Which year? I just passed second year and it was my first day of college of third year. Guys, something is wrong here. Yeah, something is wrong. The code. Me too. I'm electronics and telecommunication engineering. Guys, my roommate is calling. Can you please give me a second? Till then, we will upload this code and you guys can discuss. You guys can give advice to Tushar. Okay, as you can see, my roommate is calling me. Let me call him back. Give me a second. We will upload the code then. Until then, you can give some advice to each other. As I'm not that pro at giving career advices because I'm not even sure about my own career. Okay, give me a second, guys. Hello. Okay, sorry guys. My roommate was asking about some guy's number. Something was going on there. Okay, so we are facing problem with this Arduino. He wants a number of Wi-Fi. What we call that? Okay, so you are in first year. I just got into second year ANTC. That's cool. That's ANTC guys are watching me. It feels good. Okay, I'll reconnect this Arduino and we'll upload the code again. Let's see, and I'll upload Arduino old bootloader Arduino as ISP. Okay, let's try uploading again. Electronics and computer science group. That's cool. Bro, again, you guys have any idea how to solve this problem? I have faced this a lot of times, but this time it's taking too long. Okay, I'll close this tab. I will save this one as receiver. Console receiver. And if you guys build something like this, let me know in the chat and we will create a community. I'm thinking of that, and I'm saying this from long time. Just give me some time, bro. I was busy with a lot of things. That's why I couldn't stream last 3-4 days. You guys can share me that if you build code OLED display, but I cannot understand example code. Are you using SSD 1306? Are you making RC plane? Not really. I'm making a gaming console, which is like something new. Many people built it already, but what I'm doing is a little bit different. You are using SSD 1306. So here we have library for SSD 1306. Adafruit. Okay, this is the library, and this is example code. Okay, it's hard to understand this code. This is to test the display. You better go with example code provided on some YouTube tutorial, which is easier, like really easy. Let me see if I have one example. Let's see. No, bro. Then what? What type of code? What's your problem with that display? Port monitor. Mm, let's try replacing the code. This is not that one. Then what are you talking about? Okay, what I'm gonna do is I just turn this off. I2C1. Okay, so you are talking about 16:2 display, right? 16:2. Okay, let's try uploading code again. Okay, uploading. भैया मैंने एक इशू एनकाउंटर किया है इन जॉयस्टिक दैट रीडिंग कम इन diagonal even if I turn the joystick up or down. GitHub report for codes. Not really. Any idea? Might be issue with your joystick, bro, because I never faced that. When I do, let me show you. Okay, when I do like this and this, I never face problem. But if you do like this, then you might get that problem. So maybe you should check your joysticks again, or try a different joystick. It should not happen. Maybe there is something maybe there are some issues with potentiometers under the joystick. OLED display, bro. What type of OLED display you are using? SSD 13.0, which I showed in my previous stream. Guys, give me a second. I'm facing some issues with this transmitter. I don't know what is, but that happens with me. Turning it normally up or down. How many joysticks you have? Are you facing this with every other joystick or just one? Okay, port monitor. Let's see if we have port here. Device manager. Which NRF module is a pain in the ass to use. Yeah, first I used to think like that, but the NRF module is really cool. Once you use it, you better use it with NRF24 module adapter. I think receiving device not connected. I think the code has uploaded already. Let me see. Okay, right now we should get values around. Okay, I'll do some random stuff here and I'll check values after disconnecting this thing. Okay, so we are getting values like 10 and all that, 255. You are using with, okay, look, what I did here is I used NRF24 module with adapter. I powered it with 5 volts and it works really good. And there should be something with problem with code. Like there are many things in code, library and all that. Then you have to create an array to store the data. Your adapter, yeah, adapter is must. Like you can go without adapter, you can go with just you can use a capacitor only. Depends on if you have adapter, it's better. Like I never used NRF without adapter. I tried, but I wasn't getting any proper output. So adapter is must. That's what I feel. Then there are a lot of things with code and everything. Okay, this is receiver, and I was trying to upload the receiver code. Let me upload code again. I'll close this. Okay, I'm facing little bit problem with my Arduino ID, but we will solve that together. I'll share my screen, and if you guys can solve the issue, I'll be very happy. Let's see, open recent RC console transmitter. Okay, this is console transmitter. At least 10 UAP is needed. So that's why I'm telling you, you can just use adapter, bro. Adapter is really cool. Like you don't even need to do, like, you just have to plug in some pins, do little bit code, and you are ready to go. Okay, when I press the joystick at full, it should go around 1023. That's what I feel as per this code. Mm, receiving device connected. Okay, I'll try to upload this code again. Okay, I'll suggest one tutorial. Uh, if you want to build something like this, my RC controller, go with Max Imaginations tutorial. Check out his tutorial, and he has code and all. फ्लाई रोबो वाले इतना दिमाग ख़राब करते हैं, 2 आर्डिनो नैनो दिए, दोनों ख़राब, और बूट लोडर अपलोड उनके लिए हेडर पिंस लगाए, तब सॉल्व नहीं हुआ इशू, रिटर्न भी मना कर दिया. देन आई थिंक देयर शुड बी समथिंग रॉन्ग विथ आर्डिनोज, और you can use RoboCraze, bro. You can try RoboCraze and Robo. I always recommend that. It's not even paid promotion. Max is very cool guy, bro. Yeah, we've been friends. We know each other since long ago. Love you, Bhava. Arey Dolly Chai Wala. Shout out to my guy Dolly Chai Wala. He's back on the stream, guys. I was talking about you, Dolly Chai Wala. That I was telling everyone that I'm missing you. Everyone is present here. Adiman is present. FF Melody is present. Sanchit is present. Arduino Projects is present. Naveen is present. It feels like it feels cool, bro. Fly Robo delivers fast. Depends on where you live. Here in my area, Robo delivers fast. So yeah, it depends. Arey Tirthesh, we were talking about you. I couldn't remember your name. Sorry for that. But I was telling that there is a guy. He's this boy. He's 13-year-old, and he's doing really cool things. Use list of stuff. Robo has used list of stuff, but the thing is, yeah, I don't like their website, like the way. Okay, the serial monitor is ready. I'll try something. Let me try again. Okay, right now the LED is blinking and code. I hope everything goes right this time. Takes time to load. Yeah, it takes time to load, but to their UI, yeah, UI UX is not that good, but they have plenty of components, from little push button and LED to big fat as 3D printers. They have everything. So yeah, and if you want to serve Robo, stay safe, boys. Don't fear from anything rather than the cold and fever. Is there a new virus or something like that? Okay, guys, Tirtesh, I need your help, bro. Something's wrong with my RC controller. I couldn't upload the code, and we have a lot of things to do tonight as I'm trying to convert my RC controller into a gaming console. Okay, let's try changing this to Atmega 328p. I'll change this programmer to Arduino as ISP. I'll disconnect this. We will, bro, I know your problem. Yeah, it's common problem with Arduino Nano because I have faced it a lot of times, but this time it's doing too much. And yeah, it happens every time when I'm on stream. Everything goes very well, when I'm offline doing some stuff at 3 a.m. But as soon as I turn on the camera, I go live on YouTube. Everything like fucks up. Okay, done uploading. I hope. Yeah, code has uploaded. So here is a tip from me. If your code is not uploading or something like that, try this. Go to tools, processor. Try these two 328p 328p old bootloader, and then go to programmer, select Arduino as ISP, and make sure before all of these you better select Arduino board type and port. So yeah, the code is ready. We are getting values. Let's see. I should get around to 1023 to 2. Yeah, it's working. What website do you use to buy all your components? Okay, I use RoboCraze, Robo, Quartz components, and Take SMS, and sometimes I order from my some personal people like some dealers. Yeah, you can say that some store owners that I know. Depends on what I want to order. Delay add करो थोड़ा 500 ms का. Okay, the thing is we want it so fast. Uh, I can, but as we want to control our mm, as we want to control our game, so we need less delay. This is what I was going to tell you. Yeah, thank you. Delay ॲड करो. या नाही रे, पाऊस आहे त्यामुळे सर्दीचा सीझन घोडे लागलेत मुलांचे. माझे लागलेले लास्ट मंथमध्ये. आय वॉज लिटल बिट सिक. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. So the transmitter is ready, and I think receiver is also ready. Let's try receiver. I will disconnect this, and I am going to connect receiver. This is our receiver. I hope you can see. Dealers Breaking Bad version. Not really that type of dealers. Okay, this is our transmitter. Sorry, receiver, and we will connect this to our PC. Okay, I have connected this, and let me show you something here. I need to install some libraries. Not for this one. Okay, you can see receiver is online. Receiver gaming controller mode. I'll show it again. Receiver gaming controller mode, and this is my RC controller. This is my transmitter. I just plugged in my NRF module, turned it on, and I should get receive values now. Let's see if it works or not. I don't know if it's working or not. Let's see. It should work. I'm trying resetting this gaming controller mode. Okay, let's compare both of these codes, transmitter and receiver. Bro, line in Breaking Bad, after checking his project is working on stream tight. Always. Hello Soham, how are you? By the way, check out Soham. He's building some really cool stuff. I think he hasn't uploaded anything on Insta. He's on LinkedIn. 9 and 10. Yo, check this code. Okay, joystick. This is for transmitter, and this is for receiver. Okay, I'll disconnect this receiver and I'll reconnect. Gaming controller mode. A4. Everything is good. That's what I feel. Do check it out. It can play any game of NES. You just upload any Nintendo game ROM on SD card, then put in the SD card module, then the game works. So I'm being professional, yeah. What are you saying? Any Nintendo game ROM on SD card? Okay. And what hardware we need for that? Like what type of hardware we need really? Okay, so here everything is cool here. I feel like that. Open writing pipe 0, open writing pipe 1, open reading pipe 1. Okay, start listening and start writing. Let's see. Okay, 50 delay, and there is no delay here. Okay, I'll try adding delay here. Let's see if it works or not. So I just added delay. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe, guys. Receiver gaming console mode. Okay, let me tell you that both of these NRF modules are working properly. You guys can spot the error here. I don't know. Let's do some chat GPT. What I'm going to do is I'll just use chat GPT. I'll copy this code. I'm going to give it to chat GPT. Yeah. As you guys know, I use chat GPT a lot. This is transmitter's code. Transmitter's code. I have receivers code 2. I'll share. Check them. Check them. They are not working. Not really working. Receiver isn't receiving anything. Okay, there is something wrong with my keyboard, I guess. Receiver isn't working properly. And bhaiya, use Copilot. I should try once because I never used. Okay, after this we'll try Copilot. Let me see if I can try. Okay, guys, I have a problem with my keyboard. Like I have pressed yes, and it's very like okay, I have pressed backspace, and it's not reacting as fast as I want. Okay, so yes, let's debug transmitter and receiver. Your transmitter look 100% issue with receiver is not working properly. INT message to receive. Oh, so the problem root cause is radio dot write and radio transmitting raw 16-bit integers because Arduino. Okay, receiver might be reading only partial data or corrupted bytes. If there is mismatch, fix switch to byte array transmission. If you are okay with 0 to send data as byte array. Excellent work. Thank you so much, bro. Okay, receiver side. Okay, so the receiver code response to your transmitter and receiver look 90% correct. Okay, 90%. Okay, 2 bytes analog read. Your problem radio dot read just reads bytes data. So if your data types mismatch, you will get garbage. Okay, transmitter is fine as it is. Fixed receiver. Okay, I'll go with this code. So there was just one line which we had to change. There wasn't any big thing, so this was the problem here that I understood. I need to dive deep in the coding. Abhi Zadav, hello Abhi. Thank you Soham. Okay, let's try this code. I'll upload. Okay, receiver gaming controller mode. It should work now. That's what I feel. Guys, again it's not working. That's what I said at the start. Okay, it's working. I'm getting values 0. Uh, okay, it's working, guys. It's working. Let me show you. Okay, this is my, as you can see, I'll adjust the camera a bit. Okay, this is my RC controller and you can see the values here on the receiver side. I'm receiving all the values, and when I press the joystick here, okay, let's try the potentiometer. Okay, when I turn this potentiometer, it goes maximum to 1023, which is accurate as expected. Now it's all on joystick. Okay, as you can see, x2 is 1023. Now it should be 0. Yeah. Now y2 is 0. Y2 is 1023. Now x1 is 1022. 2 3, it should be 0, not really 0, but yeah, it works, not really bad, it works. Okay, we have transmitter and receiver ready. Now let's see the Python thing. Okay, I just want to clarify that I don't know anything about Python. I just use it. I know logic, like logic is same in every language, bro. This is my OpenCV code. I'm learning OpenCV. I know bit. No, I don't want to save changes here. Don't save. File, new file, Python file. Okay, now I have this uh Python script here which ChatGPT gave me. Let me see. Okay, this is our Python thing. I know Python, but not enough to build this project, so I used AI. I learned Python in college. Now we need some libraries. Pip install. Pip install. What type of libraries we need? We have serial, we have time, input keyboard. Lagi. Okay, now we need to install input keyboard library. Let's see. Bro, how to install libraries in Python? I'm looking champu tonight. Tell me basic of Python and Java. Okay, I don't know basic of Python and Java. I can tell you basics of Python, but I can't tell you anything about Java, bro. I don't even know. That's why I'm using ChatGPT here. How we install libraries in ChatGPT? Python. Okay. Okay, I'll just paste this here. Let's see. New version. Again, I'll paste this and let's see. Hello, Fuzzy Experiment. I remember you. You watch my every stream. Then we have another library from Pineput. Okay. It work. Now I'm working with nah. Now I'm gonna run Python script. Now I'm gonna run Python script and I'm facing some problems. This is W in the chat, guys. Okay. Bro, GPT. I need different things, bro. I need your help to install libraries first. I don't even know anything. Guys, I'm learning. I'm still learning. I'm just sharing my progress with you. Like I used to build this alone in a room. So I thought I should do this live. What libraries need to install? Thank you so much, bro. I'm still learning. I'm using ChatGPT, but please don't. If you know little bit about programming, like if you know the basics, you can, but don't use ChatGPT. Py serial. I have this already. Final command summary. Okay, that's it. I think we have this already, but still I'll upload this. Thank you so much, Fuzzy. Okay, we have installed. Let's try running this. Yeah. Okay, here's the thing. I have to close this Arduino IDE. You can't use both of these softwares together. Go to device manager, check the port. We are using COM7, so I'll replace this 5 with 7 and we will run this. Okay, we are getting values. Guys, as you can see, uh, okay, I will type some things here. Let me show you how to show this. Okay, when I press this push button forward, as you can see, I'm controlling the cursor using my joystick. Okay, I have no control on my mouse. I'm just using this joystick here. Okay, there is a lag, there is a delay, but still it's working. Okay, when I press this down, it types A. When I press this up, it types D. This is W. This is yes. Okay, we need to change some things here. Damn, as you can see, I'm just using this, and as you can see, but we need to change some things here. We need to adjust the delay. We need to adjust some more things. Is there any delay here? 0.01. What if I do it's sleep disorder which has negative impact on your health? Yes, you are correct, and thank you so much for caring about me. Actually, you can say that I have sleep disorder. Not really. Run code. Import serial. No. Where to put this code? Okay, I'll type this as a gaming console. Hello, Fuzzy Experiment. I'm listening you, bro. D A. Okay, so we are running this script and D A. Okay, I don't know what I'm typing here. Okay, guys, it's working. Everything cool, but there are some changes to do here. We will adjust some. How to lower the delay? How to lower the lag? You guys know about this? How? Okay, I'll go again to Arduino IDE and we'll do some changes here with receiver and transmitter. We'll lower the delay as we have 50. I'll do this 20. This is for transmitter. Okay, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and at the end of this stream we will play GTA. We will try to play GTA 5 with this controller. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we will try. Verified, bro. Yeah, it verifies itself. No need to verify manually. Okay, the code is uploading. Again the same problem, I guess. Let's try doing what we did already. ISP, select this. Okay, this time we will verify. Okay, I'm connecting this again. Okay, now let's try uploading again. I hope it works. Okay, uploading has started. Nano or Uno? I'm using Nano this time. Usually I use Nano. I started using Uno long ago. Okay, code has uploaded. I lowered the delay. Really, it doesn't feel like that. Okay, this is transmitter. Now we will upload the code to the receiver side. Okay, this is your receiver, and I will upload code. File, open recent. We have this receiver code here, and I will do this. I use Uno. Uno is cool if you are a beginner. Nano is also cool. Uno is also cool. Depends on your application. Okay, now we will upload this code to our Nano. Let's see. Okay, again that uploading problem. So here is a tip. We'll disconnect. We'll connect it again. Arduino old bootloader, and now we will upload it again. I don't know. Yeah, we have uploaded the code successfully. Now let's see running that Python script. Run code. Okay, there is a lag. I don't know what it is, lag or something like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, the port is correct. Now what's wrong with this thing, bro? Run. I'll press not really run. I'll disconnect it. I'll connect it again, and now we will run the code. Something is wrong here, guys. I don't know what. Okay, let's open this again. Yeah, it's working. But there are some more changes to do here. As you can see, when I move this joystick here, it goes up, and when I do like this, it goes down. So we don't want that. We have to change the pin numbers. We need to replace the X with Y and Y with X. I can't replace anything in Python code because I don't know much about Python. But I can do what to do here. D A. Okay, we will just replace pins for. We'll replace X with Y and Y with X. We'll replace the pins. That's it. We're not gonna replace anything in any other code. We're not gonna play with our wires. I'll just replace X with Y and Y with X. What we're gonna do is, this is X. I'll put Y here, and I'll put replace this Y with X, and this X2 with Y2, and this X and here will be we'll add X2. Yeah, I think that's enough. That's enough for this transmitter, and we will check this, and we'll try playing that game again. Let's try uploading code. How many people watching? 7 people. That's really cool. Like imagine 7 people in front of you, watching you building something. Guys, make sure you subscribe, please. It helps me, it motivates me. I think it's working. Okay, let's try with receiver. I just disconnected this transmitter and I connected this receiver. 0 0 0. Yes, it's working. Let's go to VS Code. We'll run this code again. Okay, there is again that error we faced recently. I don't know why is this happening. Okay, run Python file. Okay, now it's working. It's working. Let's see. Okay, when I do like, okay, it's working now. You can check this out. It's working. The mouse is working properly. Up, down, left, right, everything good. Let's go to okay. We'll just go to Chrome, and here I'll try to type something. Okay, this is mouse. This is yes. D. Is this right? This is A D. Hey there, hello Shweta, how are you doing? Okay, as you can see, this is my controller, RC controller, and I'm controlling my laptop's mouse with this RC controller, and it's really cool. I need to add a click button here. I forgot that. We'll add. Okay, this is yes, W D A. Guys, WASD is what we need to play games. So yeah, we cool. Let's try playing game. We can't really play game, but we can try though. This is enough to play game. Okay, I'll just do some changes here on my OBS. Mm, Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Okay, due to my RC transmitter, my real life IRL Zebronics mouse is not working properly. I think you guys know this. Okay, I'll close this Chrome tab. Then we'll the Python is running at background. What if I just start this again? Yeah, it works. No problem. I have Asus TUF A15 with. Do you want to know the specs? I don't have really good specs, but we'll do some changes here. I'll put this to turbo. We'll turn on the graphic card. Yeah, it's at standard. I don't use ultimate usually. When I have to play really hardcore games, I do that. Okay, I have this GTA. Okay, let's wait till it opens. I turned off my RC controller. Sorry. We can't call this thing RC controller now because this is a gaming console. So put some respect before its name. This is gaming console now, not your ordinary RC controller. And this is handcrafted RC controller which has custom stickers on it. This is my Insta ID, my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow and subscribe. Okay, that's enough. Downloading content. Okay, till then we will check some games here. You guys know any really cool game that we can buy? I can't buy anything right now. I don't have enough money. Pal World, Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth. Let's try checking this. Okay, view page. Okay, I feel like I might get copyright for playing this audio, or we can play this. Bro, something is wrong here. Can play Minecraft. Yeah, we can play. Okay, guys, let's not waste time. Do you have any online game? Like, name an online game we can play, like on without downloading. Let's try searching one. Online. Arre, online racing game. Free. If you know anything like any game, let's try this. Night City Racing, and I will use my. Okay. It's downloading. Bro, I don't need to down. I don't want to download this thing. Okay, I just want to play racing limits. Play now. Okay, we can play this, bro. Okay, 19 MBs. Okay, we can play. Let's try doing full screen. This is my gaming console, and First I will try this with keyboard, and after that we will use this RC controller. If you guys what games do you play? Okay, W for throttle, A to left, S to brake, and D to right. We will skip that tutorial. I know everything. Okay, I just turned on my RC controller. As you can see, my receiver is blinking. Everything cool. And yes, I'm playing with my RC controller now. Minecraft Paglu. I'm GTA Paglu, bro. Not story mode. Story is good, but if you play GTA online with your friends, it feels like Fast and Furious. Okay, guys, it's working. I have this RC controller in my hand, and I'm controlling this car using this RC controller. Let me show you. Okay, I just accelerated this. Now oh, bro, I pressed brake. Now again I'm going full throttle. Bro, the control is crazy, bro. Continue. Damn. No, I don't want to continue. Okay, let's see if GTA is ready or not. This is GTA Online. Alt enter. Okay, share this with your friends as soon as possible because we are playing GTA with our homemade RC controller. Sorry, homemade gaming console. And I wasn't expecting this. Like, so made a controller with Arduino. It was wired. Yeah, many people built it with Arduino. So I thought, why not go with NRF module? Let's go with story mode because in GTA lobby they gonna smoke you in a second. Like there are pro players, bro. Tritesh, what do you think, Tritesh? What if we use ESP32 and somehow we connect that ESP32 to our laptop directly without using anything, like without using any receiver module? Like right now we have this console, then it transmits data to our receiver, then it receives, then it gives it to our Python script, then the VS code converts all that data to keys, mouse, and then it gives input to our game. So it's very long way. What do you think? What can be the shortest way to build this same thing with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth? Anything? Okay, this is our bro Franklin. Let me turn on the desktop audio. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, guys. Right now we are going to play GTA 5. Okay, clip this. So we are going to play GTA 5 with my RC. Sorry, not really RC. This is my homemade gaming console, and we are going to play GTA 5 with it. So I'm going to turn this on. As you can see, I turned it on. Let's move my bro Franklin. W. Okay, it's working. Okay, it's working. Can I aim? No, I can't. Okay, I can't fully play. Okay, how to move? What if I move mouse? I think mouse isn't working here. I feel like that mouse isn't working, but WASD is working properly. I need to add some more keys here, like shift and also I can run. Bro, I need to get a gun first. Yeah, most of the companies make controller with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I think they also use special ESP. Okay, I met a guy who used ESP32 for oh yeah, it shoots. I forgot about that. I can shoot with my RC controller. But how to aim, bro? I can't aim. I need to add something here. ESP32, yeah. I was talking about the guy I met in a robo soccer competition, and he had his bot. He used ESP32 as a microcontroller of that bot, and he was controlling that bot using Sony PS2's controller. PS2 or PS3? Yeah, it was PS3. Huh? He was controlling that bot using PS3. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm controlling this character. I'm controlling Franklin with my RC controller. Okay, there is no function of this key, but we can use this one to shoot. Okay, I'll put that gun in my pocket, and what if I just press this? Okay, it punches. I need to add some more buttons, like buttons to jump, buttons to. Okay, suggest me some. What if I play like this? I press WASD shift. I press R to fight. I use my mouse to aim. Okay, so the thing is, there is problem in while aiming. What if I just disconnect my mouse? Okay, I'm disconnecting my mouse, and I'll go with this RC controller. Sorry, gaming console. It's not working. Okay, so the next step is hello creative Chitta CR. We just finished this gaming console, homemade gaming console, and we are playing GTA 5 with our homemade gaming console. Do you have any suggestions? What should we do? Okay, let's try to hit this guy. Bro, hit this guy, bro. Okay, now we gonna hit you, bro. Bro, why you not hitting that guy? Please tell from beginner what beginning what have built. Okay, okay. I'll tell you. Wait, let me finish this guy first. Okay, I can't fight with this guy. Okay, now I had to pull my gun out. Bro, we gonna get smoked, bro. Okay, so creative Chitta CR. I had 4 months ago I built one RC controller using NRF24 module and Arduino Nano. And let me just finish this guy. Okay, something went wrong again. I'll just put receipt here. Uh, how use storytelling? What do you mean by storytelling? Okay, I'll tell you. I built this controller in February, and now I thought I should convert this into gaming console, a wireless gaming console like we have for PS4, PS5. So I did some changes in code and all, and now it's a gaming console. This was a RC controller, remote control car controller, and now it's RC controller, and I can move my character using this, but I can't shoot. Yeah, I can shoot. Yes, I can shoot. I can shoot. I forgot the keys, bro. I forgot the keys. No problem with my character. I can shoot, but the problem is I can't aim properly. So I can't aim. Let me just adjust my camera. You guys can't see the controller. Okay, so the thing is when I turn off this controller, when I turn on this controller, I can't use my mouse properly. So every time I have to use this, every time I have to shut this RC controller. Switch unavailable. What do you mean? Okay. Character switch is unavailable. So I have this RC controller and I have to run as fast as I can. How you control the PC? I have shown this in stream, so I'll tell you in a brief. What I did is I used a Python script. I got it from an AI called ChatGPT, as you know. I have a receiver here which is connected through USB to my PC. So this is controller and it transmits data to my receiver. Then the receiver, bro, where is the cops? Where are the cops? I can't even see them, bro. I seriously need to control mouse somehow. We will do that tonight somehow. I don't know how, but we will do that. We'll use Copilot or any other. Wasted. Okay, so I was telling how it works. So this is my RC controller which I turned into gaming console. It transmits data, and then I have a receiver which receives data. Then it transmits to my laptop to VS Code, and there is a script which converts that data into keys of our laptop, like keyboard keys. And yeah, it works. That's it. I just turned this off, turned this on. I can move my character using this RC controller, but okay, I'll adjust my mic first. But I need to do something with this. This one joystick. Like I can't aim properly. I can't even aim, bro. Bro, next stream kab hogi? Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'm working on some projects, some freelancing projects, as usual I do. Okay, what do you think, Ritesh? I am thinking of adding some push buttons here. Multiple push buttons for multiple functions. I will use two push buttons here. Okay, let's kill someone. I haven't killed someone. Let's try killing this lady. I can't even kill this lady, bro. I'll just shoot anyone. Next stream maybe tomorrow. I'm thinking I want to stream every day, bro. If you gonna watch, I'll stream every day. I have no problem with it. Okay, let's try killing this lady. Bro, can add that to shoot. Yes, I want to aim. I want to add multiple buttons here. I want a button to zoom in. I want to add button. Okay, I'll make a list what type of buttons I need to add. I will check how many pins I have left here, and I'll just use some push buttons. I can do this tonight. Okay, I'll do this tonight. It's just 11:13. I can stream for 1 or 2 more hours. 2 more hours. As who cares, bro? Okay, guys, I can't tell you how much fun is this. Who the fuck is this? Okay, that guy was the. I can't aim. I need to add something to aim here. Okay, they called cops on me and then they gonna shoot my ass. Okay, I think I should do like this. I'll go to OBS. I'll turn on this and I'll adjust this. I'm gonna build a stream deck too. You guys know about stream decks, bro? Why it's not working properly? Okay. The problem is my gaming console. It doesn't work in. Mm, it doesn't work in game, but it works properly. Okay, I'll make it little bit small. I'll add this here. I'll make it little bit smaller, and yeah, that's it. We are good to go. I'll turn on again. I think you guys can see this now. How it's going. How I'm controlling and all. Okay, we're gonna shoot the cops. Okay, first time we have killed someone. First time we have killed someone with this RC controller, and they gonna smoke my ass right now. But let's try shooting. I'll just shoot them. I'll shoot. Okay, I think we killed another one. I got killed. That's it. Should we go back to coding and all, or should we just play game? Okay, I can't tell you how much fun is this. Okay, guys, make sure you subscribe so we can have more fun together. It sounds really weird, but we can have fun together. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. What I'm gonna do is I'll exit from this game and we will do some changes here. If you guys know about gaming consoles, we will do some changes. Yeah. I'll adjust this again as it was. You should complete the controller. Yeah, I'm that's what I'm doing, bro. I will add some buttons. I will see how many pins I have left here. I will add some buttons and I will complete the controller before playing game again. But first of all, I need to check how many pins I have left, because I can't do anything without pins, GPIO pins. You know, bro, you work like me. You know a lot. Uh, yeah. I think you guys can see what's going on my table now. Okay, so as per the code, I have some pins left. Bye, bro. I have to go. See you. See you, bro. Good night. Okay. I'll shut down everything and I'll go to our, what do you call that, OBS studio, and I will tell ChatGPT that, bro, this code is not as I expected. Okay, now my PC is lagging. I don't know why, because we were playing games and we were running a Python script and in the background and everything was going in a parallel. Okay, let's try. Let's try some changes in code. Okay, so the issue was I was able to control the mouse as usual, but I couldn't control the aim, like how the way we aim in our games. Okay, now my mouse is lagging. I don't know the reason. So we couldn't control the aim and gun and all that. So I'll tell this to ChatGPT and I will ask for the reason. Uh, hmm. This was working well. Okay, I just told ChatGPT that everything was working well, but there was issue with controlling the aim and all of that. Okay, guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe if you are new here. I think I need to post some more videos and shorts. I am working on some things. Change your import section. Test this first. One GTV aim works now. Okay, let's use option 1 where ChatGPT told us to install a library. So we will do that. I'm installing a library in my VS Code. Downloading. Okay, so the problem was the library, I guess. I think, yeah, the problem was library. We are downloading. Let me show you. Also, I'm thinking of building a stream deck. You guys know about stream deck? The streamers use for like switching scenes and playing some pre-saved audios, memes, and all that, like audio effects and all. So we're gonna build a stream deck together in our next stream maybe, or I'll make a video. Okay, it's 11:38 and 8 people watching me. That's cool. Upgrade, we can upgrade, but let's see what ChatGPT says. Then replace instead of move. Okay, let's try replacing. Where is move? Where is move? MOVE. Replace move. Can you guys see where is the move command? Okay, so GPT said move rel, move dxdy. Okay, that's it. Something went wrong, I guess here. Not really. I don't understand Python, bro. I feel like C is C is easy for me. Okay, something is wrong here. Let's see what's wrong here. Unexpected indent. Hmm. Okay, there is no library here. Let's try importing this library first. I can't even spell import. What we call that library? Py. I don't know. Uh, import. Okay. I forgot to import that library here. Again, unexpected import. What if I just upload the code here and tell ChatGPT to fix this? Fix it. Bro, ChatGPT is Doraemon for me. Like, I share a lot of things, ChatGPT hears everything from me, and it continues. ChatGPT helps me with everything I have going on in my life. I'm very dependent on AI tools. I use a lot of AI tools. AI is gonna kill me one day. Center, dead zone. Okay. Let's try this. I think it's working. Yeah, it's working. Let's disconnect my mouse and we'll try this. Okay, we need to open GTA 5. Okay, so I'm going to open GTA 5 again so you guys can see if this thing is working or not. Okay, bro, it's very hard to adjust this OBS thing. Bro, okay. I think I need to turn off my gaming console, homemade gaming console. Don't call it gaming console. Don't call it RC controller. This is homemade gaming console. Put some respect before its name. Okay, that's it. Now let's try playing game. Alt enter. Should I use alt enter? Where is my cursor? Okay, I'm connecting mouse again. Okay, we will play story mode. Okay, guys, make sure you share this with your friends or anyone who is interested. Bro, which PC? I have Asus TUF A15, 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, RTX 3050 Ti, and processor is Ryzen 7. So overall, this is really good. Like, if you can buy this PC, go for it. It's been 2 years and it's going strong. No problem with it. By the way, Melody FF, are you in school or college? Okay, let's see if we can control. Okay, I forgot to turn on my. Okay, I'll take gun. Let's see if we can aim or not. No, still I can't aim. I don't know why. In school, in which standard, bro? It's cool that you are interested. Okay, I can shoot. I can move away, move around. I can move around properly, but there is problem with. But there is problem with controlling this 11th. So you are preparing for JE or CET or NEET or something like that, guys. This thing is really cool, but the thing is, I can't control the aim again. So we better go to ChatGPT as soon as possible. I'll just switch the tab to ChatGPT. No, it's not working. Working. Disconnect mouse. Yeah, I tried it. Working in GTV, but otherwise, yes, JE. Good luck, bro. Hope you get into a better college where you can do better with your like hobbies and all. Okay, let's break down why it's work on Windows but not how to fix the real game. GTA we use input mode for mouse aiming. Send OS level. Okay, bypass. Solution is install VJoy drivers. Okay, bro. ChatGPT. If you know everything, then just tell me in one shot, bro. Like you can tell. Install all these libraries for. I turn this on. I'll try running this file output terminal. How to close the terminal? Uh, bro, how to use this thing? I don't even know. Okay, I'll just run this code again. And I will put install that library. What was that library? Something is wrong with my PC. I guess clear terminal. I can't paste here anything and I can't even type anything here. I'll just close the VS Code and we'll try opening again. Okay, let's try this. PVJoy, downloading PVJoy. Okay, PVJoy, and after that, VJoy. Program the whole console. Okay, the whole console is easy, but because it's in C and I know enough C, but that Python thing is not my cup of tea because I'm very new to Python. So okay, I'll tell you the basics like input and output thing. These are our joysticks and they give you in they give our microcontroller in values in analog values, like you don't get 0 1, you get 0 to 1023 if you use this with Arduino Uno Nano or something like that. With ESP32 you will get 0 to 4095. So this is it gives you 0 to 1023, and you have to convert those values into, like, you can convert, or it's not necessary to convert those values. You can just send those values through this nrf24 module. It's not that hard. There are some ready-made codes, but it's on you how to use those codes. Like, there are some basic codes, bro, but you have to program it again, and you have to modify it as per your requirement. So recently I used this to control robots and all, like RC cars and all that stuff. Now I just modified it, not really modified, I just changed some calculations, and I'm taking this code, Python code, from ChatGPT. So it's not that hard, but it's not that easy, because no, it's not that easy, but it's not that hard. You need some experience for it. That's it, you need some experience. I'll give this to ChatGPT. Like, you should know how to use the components or tools, AI tools, and everything you have. Okay, here I'm not a pro programmer or something like that. I just do this for fun, and it works every time. So yeah, it works for me. But it's not like I'm not learning anything. I'm learning. I'm learning to code. How do you know all this stuff? Because of interest, and I have been diving in this all these things, bro, since I was kid. Bhaiya, Arey Adimane, how are you? You back on the stream? Good to see you. Okay, so you are asking out how do I know? I spend most of my time doing all these things. I don't learn. I just implement whatever I know. That's it. It's not that hard, but it's not that easy. That's what I say. Because you should know. You should invest yourself in all these things. Okay, error not enough values to pack. Okay, I don't even know what does it mean. So I'll just copy this error and I'll paste this. Our generation is cooked, bro. That's what I feel like. You see, I'm using ChatGPT on the stream. How many people using ChatGPT for homework and all that? So I think we are slowly getting eaten by AI for everything. Learning, you say, see and watch a lot of videos regarding IoT. Yeah, that's it, bro. But that's how you learn. That's the best uh, way of learning. That's what I feel. Like, what do you mean by learning? You read and like, it's like an obsession. Mm, we have to modify some things. Replace your data for loop with this loop. So basically, it's the best way of learning. I feel you just try new things every day. You see something on YouTube, like you are watching my stream. Tomorrow you try something by yourself. Okay, where is for loop? Okay, this is the for loop, and it's like an obsession. True. Arvind, hello Arvind, bro. How are you? Okay, okay. I can't even do this, bro. What if we just paste this code and tell ChatGPT to fix this? Okay, I'm being very lazy here. You should not. Please don't do this. What I'm doing here. If you want to do career in this, like you can, but clear your basics first, bro. Okay, modified and save code. Okay, this is like a small project. It's not that big deal. It's just fun project. So I'm doing all this with AI. But in real life, you can use AI, but you can't get all things done by AI. At least for now. You guys, what do you guys think about AI? Like, it's gonna take our job or not? Very cool coding project. Thank you so much, Arvind. Technical experiment. Shout out to you. Okay, let's replace this code here and run this again. I hope it works. No, it's not working. Let's clear the terminal. Okay, let's save this code. Save. Let's run again. Bro, why it's not working? Terminal. No, it's not working. It's going to help us. Yeah, might be. पुढे देऊन बोला की दादा. It's going to help us, but the way the developers act, I feel like we gonna do some crazy stuff, like fight with AI and robots and all that stuff. Okay, we just typed yes. Let's see. Mm, let's play GTA again. Okay, I'm in game. Bro, I still can't control. I can control this guy. I can control movements like WASD, but still can't control. Still I can't control the mouse, bro. I can't aim. I don't know if if it's gonna work or not in future. I'm not sure, but we can try though. Okay, let's steal this car first. Okay, I'll disconnect my mouse. Okay, I just disconnected my mouse and I'm gonna control this car. But for aiming, I have no option than using mouse. Arre. Okay, so as you can see, I'm driving this car using these joysticks, and it's really hard to control. I can't even explain. But it's very sensitive with cars, bro. Like you can't aim, you can't fire or aim or something like that. But it's very cool to control car. So I can say that yeah, it works with cars and all, bro. But it's very sensitive. Like one wrong move of your finger with joystick and you crashed. Yeah, we fucked. Okay. I never played game with console. I use my old 12-year-old keyboard. So I'm very new to this. I don't even know if we can control whole car with just one joystick. Like you have to turn the steering with same joystick which you are using to move forward and backward. Crashed again. I can't stop crashing. Okay, let's change the car. Okay, if you go slow, it works well, but you can't turn. Okay. The thing is copyright strike. I need to turn on the game desktop voice, desktop audio, sorry. Okay, now we can play with our controller. No way taking our jobs. Yeah, not mine though. I will head to MIDC with my dabba. So I don't think AI can do that. Bro, it's hard to control the car, but it feels really good in your hand that you are controlling. Okay, how long I have been streaming this? It's been more than 2 hours, I guess. Okay, that is enough, or I should stream more. झोपतो. Okay. Okay, it's very sensitive for GTA cars, and it was really cool. With that game we were playing first, like around 1 hour, 1.5 hour ago. भैया होमिसाइड कर दो. होमिसाइड करूँ? वेट अ मिनट. पहले गाड़ी चलाना सीख लेता हूँ. एक मिनट, होमिसाइड करना है. वेट अ मिनट. लेट्स डू होमिसाइड. उसके लिए मेरे को ये मेरा कंट्रोलर बंद करना पड़ेगा. इस गाड़ी से उतरता हूँ. लेट्स डू होमिसाइड. Damn, bro, I couldn't even kill that lady. And I brag about playing GTA Online. Bro, I'm getting old. I'm getting old. I can't play. I just lost my skills. Okay, I got cops on my ass. किसी को उड़ाओ गाड़ी से. Bro, the thing was, I can't drive properly with that my homemade controller. Let's do homicide of a cop. Okay, I'll stand right here. Kill the cops, bro. Kill the cops. Steal the car, bro. Okay, you're talking about killing someone with car. Let's do this. Okay, we got 3 star already. I don't even have gun, like a good gun, and we already got 3 star. Let's see if we can get 5 stars. For that, we have to kill almost around 2 3 cops more. Bro, this wasn't in the script. What to run as soon as possible. I personally like GTA 4 physics. Yeah, that's cool. GTA 4 physics is cool. Okay, so you were talking about homicide. Here we got the homicide story. Bro, I thought I can save 1 lakh rupees for. Bro, this guy survived. I don't know how. Let's kill the cops. Another. One more shot. We lost it here, bro. I need to brush up my skills. By the way, I have another secret channel where I play GTA Hogwarts Legacy, mostly GTA 5 online with my 4 5 friends, and it's really cool there. I don't know if you guys gonna watch that or not. I'll tell you after in some next stream or some after some time. Average day in UP Bihar, bro. I don't know, bro. It's not me. It's Adimane from chat. I'm not dank. Grand Theft Auto. Okay, so the stream was about building a gaming console, and it ended up playing with keyboard. Okay, I need to brush up my skills again. Can we cause menace to society? Let's try this. Right now, I don't have enough guns, but I have a pistol though. Bro. The whole Los Santos is against me. Let's see how many people we can kill. I don't like competitive games, bro. I like these open world games. Like you can just kill anyone, you can steal. Okay, let's kill cops again. Okay, so the bus is basically saved me here. Saved my ass. Cops go crazy. Okay, that is enough GTA for today. So we were discussing about building this RC controller. I think we built this. RDR 2 खेलना it's so damn good. थोड़ी सी खेली थी दोस्त के कंप्यूटर पे and I'm thinking to buy that. Right now I have GTA 5, Hogwarts Legacy. I had Modern Combat. I stopped playing that. Now it's only GTA and Hogwarts Legacy. I'll try, and I desperately want to try RDR again, but I want to buy that game. I don't want to crack because I don't know. I just like to buy nowadays. I'm not even that rich. Okay, so this is our thing. This is our RC controller. खरीदने की क्या ज़रूरत है? हाँ पता है भाई, लेकिन पता नहीं भाई, खरीदता हूँ मैं, मतलब GTA भी मैंने खरीदी है, हॉगवर्ट्स लेगेसी भी मैंने खरीदी, पता नहीं क्यों लगा कि खरीदनी चाहिए, सो मैं स्टीम पे गया और ले ली। अचानक से पैसे आते हैं ना गरीब आदमी के पास, अचानक से पैसे आते हैं तो ऐसा ही होता है ब्रो। ओके, आई थिंक दिस इज इनफ फॉर टुडे, और शुड वी स्ट्रीम मोर? आई थिंक इट्स 12 AM already, we should sleep. that is it for today. I wasn't planning, I had no plans of this stream. I just came up here and showed up and I started playing with this thing, and it worked out, bro. It worked out. Like, it went really good. I wasn't expecting this to work, but yeah, it was cool. Like, you can control. Okay, right now I'm controlling. You want to stream more? You want me to stream more? What we can do? We can discuss a lot. Chalo, koi nahi. Okay, let me show you some things here. I am controlling my PC with my gaming console. Like, okay, I don't know about this mouse, bro. It's working here properly, but not in game. As you can see, the graph is going crazy here. Bro, Adimani, you guys are really motivating me. I say this every time, but because I really meant that. I wasn't planning to stream and I was thinking to quit and everything because I'm in third year now. So I have to prepare for all the placement and shit, which I don't even like. So I thought I have enough time. I should give a try to YouTube and all. Let's try streaming. I don't earn anything, but it's cool. It's fun. And I'm not doing any, like, I'm not wasting time. I feel like that. I'm just doing all this tech stuff, which is in our, not in our syllabus, but basically engineering. Let's try some online games. Online game. mm, Games for PC. The game we played, the racing game, it was cool. Okay, I'll do that again. Hey, thank you, bhai. Bro, thanks to you. I had some other plans going on, but you guys motivate me to stream. I wasn't planning to stream tonight, but my friend said, और थंडर खेल के देखना कभी बढ़िया है. My friend said, bro, you have enough audience, you got like really cool people on your streams, and you should you should stream tonight. So I said, okay, let's see if someone watches me or not. Which game we should play here? Let's try this turbo. It's very good, maza aega. Can you give me a brief, like, what's the game is about? Let's play. Okay. So, mm, we have some new viewers here. I don't think they know what we are doing here. So this is my RC controller, which I turned it into a gaming console, and now I'm playing games with this thing. Okay, so it doesn't work with WSD. Damn, we can't play this game. I desperately wanted to play this game, but we can't. Is there any other game? Snow Rally, Sky Race 3D, BMW M5, Nitro Cars, Highway Race. This one looks cool. Military simulator game. Hey, okay, I'll try for sure. नाम क्या है? War Thunder. Okay, I'll save it in my phone. Okay, cool. 3 vehicle है और एक vehicle accurately modeled है. Okay. It really inspired me in missiles and stuff. Damn. What are you planning about, bro? Like, Adimane, in which standard, or are you in college, or you graduated, or like what you do really now? Free भी है. Then I will try for sure. Free का मैं छोड़ता नहीं, bro. 10th class. Uh, so you are in 10th class. Like, you just entered in 10th class some days ago, like month ago, right? Then you have enough time to think. Make sure whatever you do with proper like research and everything, because I see many of my classmates, they are here doing engineering, but they don't even like it. Okay, let's do two-way. WASD. How to play WASD? Okay. Just accelerated. Bro, it's working or not? I think I should check my Python script again. Let's let's save this file, run it again. Okay, I'll just shut it off. Then VS Code, run code. Let's try running the code again. Incomplete data received. What the fuck? Okay, I'll try resetting this code. Something went wrong here again, guys. I don't know what. War Thunder में was basically airplanes, tanks होते अलग countries के, even India, तो उनमें battles होती है. That sounds cool. Is there an ad of this game? I think I have heard about this. Let's clear the terminal again and we'll run the code again. Clear terminal. Okay, it's not clearing. Okay, I'll open this again. Uh, there is another game called like World of Tanks or something like that. Incomplete data received. Bro, what's wrong here? Okay, let me see port. I think we lost it, bro. Okay, COM7, everything cool. Incomplete data received. Why? I don't know. Let's turn off this thing. Okay, so पर वो बच्चों वाला है बहुत unrealistic. Oh, I saw a lot of ads of that game, so I thought, okay, now it's working properly. Let's play this game. Okay, it's working. We crashed. Okay, I lost that game, bro. The first one. Party up. Hello, भाई कैसे हो? Satyam, bro. How are you? It's good to see you back again on the stream. वॉर थंडर में हर एक डैमेज मॉडल होता है एक कंपोनेंट टैंक के इंटीरियर और एक्सटीरियर का. Okay, so it's realistic. That's the main thing about this game, right? Like if you are interested in military vehicles and tanks, you should play that. Insane Drift, car mechanic, car evolution, turbo racing. Which game should we play here? What is this? Shape shift race. No, I don't want to play this. Random racing. Bro, the first one. I think I have that game here somewhere. Online racing games free. Crazy games. I hope कि लॉकवुड मार्टिन में जॉब लग जाए. Try for it, bro. Go for it. Racing limits. World's hardest game खेलो. कौन सी है world's hardest game? Pay a lot of military companies. You can start your own company, bro. Go crazy like Tony Stark. By the way, do you watch Marvel? I don't know what's happening right now. It's not working. It's not working. Let's see the reason. Uh, Throttle WASD script is running or not. Okay, so the thing is, Nam, अच्छा, नाम ही है the world's hardest game. That's cool. Okay, so I feel the problem is with this VS Code. बोला कि okay, so the problem is with the VS Code. It's not working properly. I don't know why. Let's try running the file again. I hope it works. Let's try running the code again. अच्छा, world's hardest game में क्या है bro? Let's try opening this game again. Sorry, VS Code. Okay, I don't understand the problem with VS Code because I don't usually use this. Let's try. Okay, the receiver, transmitter, receiver both are working fine. I'll press reset button. Now it's cool, it's working. Let's play that game again. लेवल क्लियर करना होता है 1.2 अनदर वाला. अच्छा, उसमें लाइक गेटिंग ओवर इट में होता है वैसे क्या? Okay, there is delay with this game, but it's cool. Like I'm controlling with this RC controller, so yeah, it's fine. Bro, the gear shift is clear. में कुछ कुछ vehicles unlocked है. Sure bro, thanks. I'll try for sure. Bro, why this game is not free? They said it's for free, and now they say it's not free. Okay, I don't want to play. I'll try another one. You guys know any like online game? Let's try this. I think I should do this a little bit bigger because सन है बस वो 2D है. पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी तक जाना है. ऑनलाइन है या ऑफलाइन, मतलब डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा या फिर ऑनलाइन खेल सकते हैं? आई हैव टू टर्न ऑफ माई माउस फर्स्ट so I can move my real mouse. Okay, that's cool. mm, Mountain ride, one player, online है browser वाला. Okay, I will try after this one. Select level. Okay, level 1. uh, let's ride. After this game we will try that. Right now we are testing this RC controller, so okay. Bro, it's difficult to play with this controller. Okay, let's try again. This time I will go slow. I'm not doing anything. Okay, we have doing better. We are doing better right now. Eh? Okay, again. Damn. गिर गए गिर गए गिर गए गिर गए गिर गए. You- Can I press W and D simultaneously? Yes, I can, but it's a bit hard. Okay, 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 okay. अब यहाँ से कैसे निकलना है? Let's go. Better than last time. Now it's our first checkpoint. I should have used two joysticks to control movement, like W and S of this joystick and D and A of this joystick. Where to go now? Where to go? Okay, I'll just go here in mountains. Okay, we gonna crash. Okay, so what we were talking about? World's hardest game. Okay, let's see world's hardest game. World's hardest game. Play now. Okay. Sounds cool. Complete. Let's see. Uh, yes, यही है. Play game. You are the red square. Avoid the blue circles and collect the yellow circles. Okay, I am red circle, red square. Avoid blue circles and collect the yellow circles. Okay. Once you have collected all the yellow circles, move to the green beacon to complete the level. Some levels consist of. Okay, let's try this. No. Huh? I am red. How to play this? Okay, WSD. Okay. Okay, I have to connect low. Okay, I have to avoid blue circles. Bro, it's not possible. Let's try again. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Bro, it is possible. It's my first time playing it. I know. I'm Am I doing right, chat? No, I'm not doing anything right. Bro. Nah, it's we can say that it's world's hardest game. I just wanted to decision making improve करता है. I think I should play this because I have very like fucked up decision making skill, bro. Bro, I can't even decide if I should go home or stay here for Sunday, like weekend. Okay, let's try this again. Bro, this game is hard. Let's try playing this with our controller. Okay, this is my controller. It's not working. I don't know why. Let's check the Python script if it's running or not. Just play this game complete level and see the improvement. I think you are right. I think I should try that. Is it working? Let's try resetting the. Yeah, it's working. Okay, trial ball. Okay, you can't control it precisely. Satyam, how many levels you have completed? Bro, nah, I can't play this with controller. Just 5 level. Damn, there are 30 levels, I guess. Bro, in my computer lab college, where you guys find these games, bro? It's cool. Like, frustrating, but cool. Okay, so I can stay on the line in the middle. I searched online in lab and found out this game is crazy. Okay, I think I should play this at least 1 or 2 times a day to improve my decision making skills. Can we go? Okay. Lol, perfectly describes the philosophy of life. Too focused on avoiding obstacles but forgot to move forward. And instead of avoiding the obstacles, go after them from behind. True. Feels cool to play this game. Like you have to focus on these circles, then you have to move. You have to focus on that another circle. No, I don't think I can complete first level tonight. Bro, somehow it. No, I can't do this. Let's try again. There is one more plus point, can tweak your controller to be more accurate. Let's try with controller. Okay, this is my controller. Wait. Let me press reset first. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Cool. Okay, so we can go diagonally. I wasn't aware about that. Okay, okay, okay. Nah, it's hard with controller, bro. Uh, there is a lot like lagging here. I have decreased the delay, but still there is a lot lag. Nah, I can't play this with controller. Let's try again still. No, stay chill. I can tell you are little bit frustrated. Yes, obviously, bro, I'm little bit frustrated. I was doing good though. Like, I think I can do. It's not that hard. You have to focus on two circles at the same time. You can't focus. Okay, one square at a time. One square at a time. No, at some point they collide you. Ah, you can't rush. You can't rush in this game. No, you can't rush. No. The more you rush, harder it gets. Damn. Don't rush. Bro, that is enough. That's enough anti-brain rot for my brain. My brain is really rotted nowadays. All these reels and trends I follow. Like I stay on social media all the time. Is there any other game? Let's try Traffic Racer. Okay, 46 MB. Okay. Okay, it's almost 12:30 m. Okay, after this we will sleep. All you need is just some 10 more times. Can. Yeah, I feel like I can. It wasn't really hard. At first, I couldn't reach that. Like, I couldn't get up there, but after some time, I could do better. Okay, let's play this game. Okay, we are going crazy with this 60, 70. Eh. Okay, I don't want to watch ad. Is there any free game to play? Let's see. Uh, okay. MR Racer, Mr. Racer, car racing. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try this one. Bro, how to play? Claim and play. Okay. Okay, first drive. WASD. Okay, 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 okay. Steer left, right. Uh, good night, Adimane. Thanks for staying up till 12:30 a.m. Shout out to you. You can use ad blocker to block the ads. Yeah. Brave. Sir, do you have any kind of idea about FOC controller and its availability? Not really. No. Sorry, I don't know about that. But if you want, I can do some research about it. Okay, it feels cool. Hey, what's this about the time? What's this timer? Thank you, भैया. मेहनत करते रहो, एक दिन सक्सेसफुल होगे. Same to you. Good night. Okay, time out. Okay, so there is time limit. Let's play again. So I have to focus on time also, and I have to reach a checkpoint. Yo, reach the first one, bro. Braking system is not that cool. Poki, Poki games. You guys know Pokemon? Not really Pokemon. She's Pokemon. Or how do they pronounce that? I know Adimane, but Pokemon, Pokemon. Yes, gamer लगते हो. Crashed again. Crashed. Okay, let's try different game. Car games. Play on crazy games. Okay, crazy games. You lied to us. You say these games are free, but they are not really free. Is there any other all racing and play online games for free? Let's try this. Okay, let's try. You are saying page. It looks like you are not in the country. Okay. Crazy games ला डेडशॉट बघ. काय डेडशॉट गेम आहे का? You lied to us. Crazy games. Is there any real crazy game? Cyber cars, punk racing. Okay, let's do some. Let's play cyber cars. Play now. Free आहे ना bro. होय, they say they are free, but no, they say watch ads. I think I should watch ads. Like at the end of the day, we all are trying to make some money, bro. Deadshot Takagi. Okay, it's online game. How to play this game? Okay. Now I'm getting there. It's hard to control this car. क्रोम का हिस्ट्री दिखाओ जरा. कुछ नहीं भाई, क्रोम को गेम्स ही है बस, बाकी और कुछ नहीं. ना, लेट्स ट्राई विद WSD फर्स्ट. Okay, now I can go crazy. Okay, 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 I damaged. Okay, the speed is around 200. डिले है. कंट्रोलर में 20 ms का डिले है एंड रिसीवर में भी 20 ms का डिले है, विच इज़ वेरी स्मॉल, लाइक फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड. It's working very well, but the problem is I think it's with that Python script and overall transmission, because it's very long way, bro. Like, you get data from this input from these joysticks. These joysticks are very cheap, like 30 rupees. Then it gives input to Arduino, then it sends through NRF module, then the receiver receives, it processes data, it sends to our PC, then the Python script, all that stuff. So yeah, it's a lot. uh yeah, I like this game. DigiKey, you guys know about DigiKey? It's a big brand about of electronic stuff. Then total MSC is around, yeah, might be, it can be around. Okay, let's watch ad. Continue playing. Taken. Come tomorrow and get your reward. Okay, but can I play now? Race. Okay, let's try racing again. So this is my controller. Those who are new here, this was my remote control cars controller, which I built around 4 or 5 months ago, and today I thought I should convert it into a gaming console. So here we are playing games with this RC controller. Used this joystick to control, and there is lag. Also, this game is online, so it can be also a problem. I don't know. Yeah, going well. Crashed. Okay, I'm just crashing, bro. Time added. Okay, time added. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, we can't play this. Okay, I don't want to play. That's enough for today, sir. I learned about FOC as I'm. Okay. Let's see what is FOC. Okay, even I don't even know what is FOC, honestly. To reduce MS, I think you need to driver for this controller, reduce some PCB layouts. Then MS will be around 50, I guess. Might be. Maybe it's because we are using Arduino Nano, so it's very like basic microcontroller. If we use ESP, I feel like if we use ESP32 with Wi-Fi or something like Bluetooth, with that we can achieve more speed. That's what I feel, because I know a guy who controlled Robo Soccer bot with ESP32. Sorry, he controlled that bot which had ESP32. He controlled it using Sony's controller. I think it was PS3 controller, and it was really fast. Not R&D. Actually, I have some stuff going on in college, like R&D stuff. You don't do R&D on YouTube, bro. Like, you can't do R&D, research and development. I am doing like it's, but it's not my focus. I don't want to do like some scientist stuff. Nah, I'm crazy scientist. As I'm main character, that's what I feel. I got here. You guys know Doctor Dupinsmirth. Okay, so honestly speaking, I have two projects going on in my college. We are working on something with pollution. I have another project which is about CubeSats, and also we are building something for IoT. And recent last year we were planning to build prosthetic arms with cheapest components. But somehow we were not able. With me, we can do that, bro. Actually, my focus was to just do all these things, learn. But I spent around 3 years preparing for all that JE and all that. I wasted all these years. I feel like that it wasn't really waste. I was studying, but yeah, I couldn't do anything I wanted. And after that, now I'm back. Okay, this guy is my inspiration. Then Professor Dhumketu is my inspiration, and I'm dropping a hoodie. I have designed some hoodies. I can't reveal right now, but I have some hoodies. I will sell them. So yeah, I'm doing a lot of things, like I sell projects and stuff. I do all these YouTube things, and I just want to have fun with technology. Yeah, okay. If you ask me, that's my main goal. I just want to have fun with technology. It might sound little bit arrogant, but yeah, and research and merch. Not really merch. I don't even have enough people to buy my merch, bro. Look, I have 6 people watching me right now. Who want buy my merch? I will wait for merch at least around, if I ever get if I ever reach 100k subscribers, then I will think about dropping merch. I will think about dropping merch if I get 100k subscribers. It's too early for merch, but I want some, like I custom design my own clothes. Not always, but I like to design my I scribble my shoes and all that. I have this jacket here. I have designed this. Let me show you. Uh, Not really designed. I know a guy who prints on clothes. He has that printing machine. So I put some random stuff on my jackets and all that hoodies. Let me show you. Okay, there is a long story behind this. I'm a huge hip hop listener. You can call me a rapper also. I do some stuff like that. I attend cyphers and all that. People call it like chapri or something like that. Some people call it, but no, it's not that. It's just expressions. Here I have rage on my arm sleeve. Here I have a album cover of Post Malone, and here I have a album cover of Lil Uzi Vert. If you guys know Lil Uzi Vert, same guy who bought a diamond, and he bought a diamond for 17 million, and he fixed that diamond on his forehead right here like a bindi. And it was there is a story behind it, I can tell you. I like to discuss. And then I took my marker and I have written here sicko mode asterisk 884, which is my stage name. I do some performance. I have this die lit here. This is Meoth, you guys know. And this is Legends Never Die, because I listen too much music, bro. Emo music, like all these guys, Juice World, Lil Peep, and all these Pop Smoke and all those guys. So yeah, this is Forever 999. This is Middle Child, because I'm a huge fan of J Cole. If you guys know J Cole. And this is Trapaholic. That's what I am. So yeah, this was just normal jacket from Amazon, which I bought for 400 rupees. Then I spent around 200 rupees to print all these things. I know a guy in my college who prints. So yeah, I do some custom stuff for myself, not to sell. I like that. Hope you like this. Hope you like my bullshit. That is it for today, guys. I have this Love is Rage here. Love is Rage is like which is album. Love is Rage is album of famous rapper Lil Uzi Vert. I'm a huge fan of that guy. I don't know if you guys uh, like my music taste or not. This guy is cool though. Post Malone. You can check him out. I know you have heard that song, Spider-Man song, Sunflower. Ooh, 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 ooh. So yeah, it's him. So what do you think about my jacket and all that stuff? So similarly, I'm planning of creating a hoodie. Okay, so this was my other stuff like other than tech. So I'm planning to create a hoodie themed on all this stuff. That song Sunflower. Yeah. So I listen music. So right now I'm working on a hoodie which I have like I have in my mind. I have created the design. I sent it to the guy who prints it, and it will be ready for like 600 or 700 rupees printing and all that. So yes, and the theme of this hoodie is yes, Dr. Dupinsmurth, Professor Dhumketu. Like I'm not really actually putting that directly on my hoodie, but you can understand like you are a evil scientist, you are a main character, you are villain, and you are evil scientist, or you are a mad engineer. You build crazy stuff, not like useful but crazy stuff, just to express yourself. And that's it. That's the main theme of my hoodies. And I'm a geekster. You guys know what is geekster is. I don't know if Google has geekster. Okay, geekster is a website, but geekster meaning someone who is knowledgeable and stylish, particularly in technology. Okay, so I don't know if I'm knowledgeable or stylish, but I feel I'm main character, so I feel like I'm geekster, someone who is both knowledgeable and stylish, particularly in technological fields or with passion for certain hobbies. It can also refer to someone intentionally adopts geeky aesthetics as a fashion statement. So yeah, my aesthetics are geeky. That's it. Okay, so what we were talking about is R&D. So I have a project called Vayun. Okay, let me tell you Vayun, which is about pollution and monitoring and all that stuff. I can't reveal much. We are working on that. It's been long time. Me and I have 3 4 teammates. We are funded by college. College paid us some money around 60,000. Then recently they gave us 18,000 to buy some components and stuff. Other than that, I'm working on a EV, which is like basic a cart, electric cart with a motor and four wheels and all that stuff. But we are adding some more stuff to that. Like we are adding some Raspberry Pi and all those things. I have 6 people with me for that project. And other than that, what I have, mm, other than that, I have my own stuff going on all these projects. Yeah, and last year we were planning to drop a brand for prosthetics, and but somehow I don't know what happened. We forgot about that somehow. Bro, I have a laptop in my mind, but the problem is okay. I was so I just passed my second year. I was on holiday, but I was doing internship, and today is my first day of third year. I went to college. I spent whole day in my college. So it's over, bro. After and our professor told us that after around 2 or 3 weeks, we are going to conduct first unit test. That's it. I have only 2 or 3 weeks. Then I will prepare for that unit test. I will give that unit test. Yeah, just one night before, but still. Then they will give us assignments and all that stuff. After that, we will have holidays. Mm, Ganesh Chaturthi, Ganpati, if you know. After that, we will have our second unit test, mid sem. Then some events and all that stuff. Then we will have some other things like, yeah, submission and all. So it's hard to manage all these things. So guys, that is it for today. I feel like we should end this, or should we watch some videos or something like that if you guys want, or we should just, okay, let's surf Twitch. Sorry, not Twitch, Instructables. Okay, this is my Instructable. I don't have a post here. This is just my bio and I don't have a post here. Open HUB. Okay, you are talking. I know what you are talking about, but that website is banned in India, so you have to use VPN and all that. It's better to go on Reddit. Just go on Reddit and you can do something there. Yeah, I should not tell this. Invisible touch alarm system. It works. Might be. It's been years since I visited there. वो इंटरनेट की वो गलियाँ छोड़ दी है हमने ब्रो. आजकल हम यहाँ घूमते हैं एटलीस्ट ऑन कैमरा. इंटरनेट की अंधेरी गलियों में पहले बहुत जाना था हमारा, लेकिन धीरे धीरे हमें पता चला कि अगर इसी रास्ते से हम चले गए तो अपना खात्मा फिक्स है. You know that meme, नेजी दबा. Tiny desk clock. Hmm. I have something like that going on with SSD 1306. Okay, who was asking me about SSD 1306? I think that was Adimane. Okay, so I talked a lot about creating a community of creators and like DIY builders, or say just like-minded people. So I think I should create. It's right time. I think we have enough people like Satyam Prasad, Virendra Raj Pandey. We have Dolly Chaiwala, Adimane. It's community in my chat, bro. Whole community in my chat. Then we have a lot of people who are interested for this. It works. Make Iron Man mask. You guys know Technocrafts. He's my friend. I know him. He's my friend. You can say he's friend. Uh, that guy built Iron Man mask for MythPad. Bro, I desperately need a 3D printer. I have a lot of in my mind, but I can't do anything because I don't have 3D printer. It's not really excuse. Like I can't give excuse of 3D printer, but still, okay. This is Max Imagination. I think you guys know about Max. Max is cool guy. Okay, so Max built this uh uh rolling bot. By the way, I'm learning PCB designing. They were teaching us Proteus. This is Proteus, but I feel Proteus is very like it's not that good for me at least. It's professional software, but it's not that good for me. So I'm going with Easy EDA now. Nowadays, I'm learning Easy EDA more. I think I should start designing PCBs on stream. What do you guys think? Okay, so Max designed this and Max 3D printed this thing. So yeah, you need a 3D printer for all these. You can build stuff, but it's not gonna be that cool or say that precise. Make a Wally. Okay, bet. We'll make a Wally robot tomorrow. What do you think? Should I make a video or should I build this Wally thing on stream? Should I make a video, proper tutorial like video, or should I just go with live stream? I think video will be cool. Like you can watch again and again. I will provide all the circuit diagram and all that stuff. I can take enough time to build that thing properly. So we will build Wall-E robot, and also Sparky Tech gave me a challenge. He said build something to fire, like something like that. Okay, then what we have, what else we have here? Okay, so you guys know that cheap power banks we get on railway station or somewhere, very cheap power banks. So me and my roommate stream will be 7 hour. I can guarantee it's, so video will be much, yeah, video will be much more good. I have plans for streams too, like 24-hour stream where I'm building something 24 hours straight, just like 24-hour hackathons, or at least I can do 12-hour stream where I will build something here continuously for 12 hours. But I don't have enough people right now to watch me, so I need more people. Guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, so I was talking about my roommate's plan. So we were thinking about launching something like this. He's good at 3D printing, so we were planning to create a tiny power bank around this much big, and we were planning to sell it for 70-80 rupees on railway station and bus stands and all that stuff. And we were thinking to name it as emergency power bank, and we planned a lot about that power bank. But again we forgot about that. It's like you sit in your room with your friends, with your roommates and all that, and you talk about startups and stuff, and after some time you sleep, and the next day you don't even remember that. Okay, I want to show you one of my most underrated videos. Wait, guys, I want to show you my most underrated video ideas by Suyash. Okay, I have this in my front, but still, okay. Let me show you. Checks the major problem I face: how to do research regarding the project. Still, what approach should we follow? YouTube videos or Google? Uh, Emergency escape bomb. I feel like go with research paper rather than searching on YouTube. YouTube is cool, but what I feel is I have some research paper, like my own research papers, two, three. I feel like go with research papers for research. You can just check others' research. Okay, check this out. This is my one of the most underrated video. Okay, so this is anti-ragging device by Rancho, and I built this when I was taking admission in this college, like just week before shifting here, before joining my college. I thought this thing gonna go viral, but I don't know. I think I have poor editing skills at that time, at least, but it was really cool. You can scare the fuck out of someone. Bro, मैं इस background का नहीं हूँ. Okay, Karthik Kumar Singh, can you please tell me more about what do you want to research about or something like that, your project? Okay, so I don't have like a really good research paper or something like that, but I have been with some people like professors uh, who are good at research paper, and what I saw is they tell us to survey the literature, the previous literature, all that research paper and stuff. That's what I have heard, and they say do your research not on a YouTube, use stats, and use all that stats and all that research papers and stuff, previous literature. So yeah, that's what I feel. Rather than YouTube videos, go with Google Chrome research. There are some websites where they post research papers. Okay, so guys, I feel like this deserves more. Make sure you watch this video. When you piss on this, you get shocked. I wanted to try this always. Also, let me show you something. This was my failed exoskeleton. Okay, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, guys. Okay, this was me around 1.5 years ago. I was trying to build a exoskeleton. It was really cool, but the problem was I was messed up with so many wires. I wasn't aware about using capacitors for to control servo jitters. So yeah, these were the main problems. Also, I had no 3D printer. I still don't have a 3D printer, so I used PVC pipe, and due to lack of proper weight management and all that, it was working quite well though, but still it could have been more cool. Okay, this is little sumo bots, bro, not this. Okay, this one. It was failed also. We tried to build sumo bots to play in room, but we couldn't even play with this. Okay, guys, how many people watching me right now? 4. Okay, I think it's time to sleep. Guys, thank you for being on the stream. It's almost 1 a.m. and we all should sleep now. Me? What do you mean by me? Satyam. Satyam bhai, how old are you? I feel like you are doing BBA, so I don't know. Art, crafts, and shorts. Hello, bro. How are you? I don't know if you are bro. Me watching. Yes, you are watching, bro. You. I don't know who's watching me. Okay, we have 5 people watching now. 20 का हूँ. Same as me. I am also 20 years old. I think I look small. Like I look younger, but I'm 20. Okay, those who are new to stream, we build this. Sir, you were I'm 16. That's cool that you are 16 and you are interested in this. Okay, so let's play some games with this controller again because I can't do anything right now. Online racing games free. Okay, so if you are new to this stream, let me tell you something. This is RC controller. I built this around 5 months ago, and yeah, 4 5 months ago. There is video. कभी कभी randomly भूख लगता है जाता है. Small CNC plotter machine. Damn, that's really like advanced project. God X Pawan, hello God X Pawan, how are you? So you completed that project, but not plotting properly drawing. Can you share me video? Let me see if I can help. I never built that, but let me see if I can help you with something. Okay, I forgot to turn on my controller. Okay, so this is my RC controller, uh, which I made to control remote control cars, but right now I have modified it to control games, like play games. Okay, Satyam. So we were talking about delay, right? So while playing GTA, there wasn't any delay. It was really quick, like it was sensitive. Connect ESP32 to L293. Yes, you can. It's not a big deal. You just have to take some uh four. Yeah, you need 4 pins. Connect GPIO pins. Connect them normally like you do with Arduino and all that stuff. That's it. And everything is same as L2918 with Arduino or any other microcontroller. So the delay was, I think it's because of this game, because GTA was very sensitive with it. Deleted video links. Uh, okay, it's not big deal, bro. let me see if I have one L29810. Okay, you want L29 3D. I think I have one. I have a lot of L29 3D motor drivers. Let's see. Uh, okay, it's happening every time. I forget to turn off the RC controller, and then I can't control my real mouse. Okay, this is your ESP8266. This is ESP32. This thing is ESP32. Then this is your L29 and L29 3D. So I'm not gonna connect it right now because we don't have enough time for that. I will just show you how to connect. Okay, these are your GPIO pins. Choose any four of them, not really any. Okay, start with D13, D12, D14, D17. That's cool. Just connect them directly to this IN1 to IN4. And if you want to control the speed, you can remove these jumpers of EN1 and EN2 and connect them to PWM pins of this ESP32. And to power up this thing, just connect this to VCC and ground. And here we have battery and motors. I have another version, L29 3D, not that, bro, this is L29 3D. There is another called L298N. Let me show you L298N. I have different. Okay, wait. Are you talking about this one? You're talking about this one, right? This is shield specially made for Arduino Uno. L29 3D shield for Arduino Uno, and I hate this thing. I hate this thing. You have, but I really hate this thing, and the reason is, I don't know, bro. Every time I use this, it doesn't work properly. It works, but something like some issues, like issues with power, like, and you can't connect anything with this. So this is my advice. If you want to build something, my only advice is, if you want to build some like a robot, or if you want to control motors, speed and all, just use L298N. This is the best motor driver I have ever seen. There are no heat issues. It can work with around 2 ampere. Really cool for your all your projects. Okay, I'll show you which one is the best. If you ask if you ask me about which motor driver is the best, okay, this is the number one. I will rank this thing at number one. You can control speed. You can control brightness of LEDs too. Also, you can provide around 36 volt. I have seen some people providing it 36, but better go with 12 volt. You can use 5 volt to 12 volt, and then yeah, you can control multiple motors. I have controlled around 8 motors with this single motor driver. I have controlled really big motors like Johnson motors with this, and it's really work well. It can withstand heat and all that. Yeah, with Johnson motors, 12 volt Johnson high current motors, it was hitting a lot, but still it wasn't disappointing me because I was playing at Robo Soccer with this motor driver. So this is the best one. You can get this for 100 rupees on Robo, or I think on Robo Craze. Then if you are little tight on budget, go with this. You can get this for 50-60 rupees, but it has some heating issues. Like you can't do big things with this, so better go with this L29810. This is the best thing. Okay, but I need servo motors also, bro. What do you mean you want to use servo motors with that same motor driver? It's not that hard. Just connect your servo motor to your ESP32. Use positive, use okay. So here you don't have dedicated 5 volt pin. You can connect your servo motors VCC here to 5 volt. I don't know if you can see this or not. So yes, huh. This is advantage of this motor driver. Provide, okay, imagine you provide 9 volt here, and you want to provide 5 volt to some sensor or some motor. You can just connect that 5 volt here, ground here. That's it. 5 volt ground, and here you have your input of around say 9-10 volts. So this is the best motor driver I have ever used. There are plenty of motor drivers. I have bigger one too. Let me show you. If you want to control some big things, go with that. uh, and that motor driver can, sir, how I unable stepper motor in CNC shield. Bro, okay, at this point I can't tell you much about stepper motor because I don't use that much. I have only two stepper motors. I use those stepper motors for some normal applications. We can discuss though. You can message me on Instagram and we can discuss about that. No worries. Okay, let me show you some more motor drivers in my collection. Check this out. This is motor driver, and this motor driver can control only one motor. Can I get buying link? Can I get buying link server? Okay. So you want to buy L2918 motor driver? I will put link here in chat. L2918 motor driver. Okay. This is the best one I feel. Sir, I connect unipolar stepper motor in CNC shield. Bro, 9K sir. What do you mean by 9K? Thank you so much. Wait, I'll give you link of this motor driver. Is there any share option here? I'm on Robo and I'm trying to get this link. Let's see. Control C. Okay, I'm pasting this in chat. Let's see. No, you can't paste links here in chat. Okay, I'll tell you. I'll show you. Okay, just search L2918 motor driver. This is the 100 rupees one, and you can get this for 100 rupees only. L2918 2 ampere base motor driver. It works from 5 volts to 35 volts. Continuous current 0 to 36 mA. Number of channels 2. Overcurrent protection, yes. Thermal protection, yes. So this is the best I feel. For me at least, I use this a lot. Other than that, I have these two motor drivers. It controls only one motor at time, and it requires a lot of current and power and all that. Okay, bro, I was trying to share link in the chat, but the problem was, let me see if I can share. I'm trying to share, bro. Something is wrong here. Wait, give me a minute. I'll try to share the link. I think you can't share links here in chat. I don't know. I'm new to this streaming and all that stuff. No, bro, I can't share this. Com from it and tell where to add that. Actually, it's not about the com. They don't have share option, so I'm copying the whole page, and there are a lot of characters in this link, so that's the main problem here. Let's see if I can share somehow. Bro, Robo, I hate Robo for this. They don't have a good UI, and they are like Like they are a very big company. I think they are the biggest electronic components provider. But still their website sucks. And it's not only me, everyone says that. Everything is cool about them, but the website. Okay, I'll find another way. Copy link address. Sorry, bro, I can't. Oh, झोपा कुठे तर. Okay, I can't paste this whole link here. You can just go here on robo.in and you can buy this thing. Okay, this is the whole link, bro. There is no other option here. So you were talking about removing com. I don't know how to do that. Okay, so this is L2982 motor driver. This is Robo. You can just search Robo and you can buy that. Okay, guys, that is it for today. I have to wake up tomorrow for college. Holidays are over, so yeah, I will wake up at 8:30 to attend lecture at 9 a.m. And that is it for today. Thanks for showing up on the stream and staying till 1:50 a.m. 1:15 a.m. Which city, bro? I'm from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, and it feels really good to chat with you guys. Good night, guys. Good night. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. It motivates me to stay awake. I will live stream tomorrow, and we will build something tomorrow. And also I'm working on videos and all that stuff. I just want your support. I just want some people to watch me working. So that is it for today. I wasn't planning for today's stream, but still it went really good. We pulled around 3 hours. So that is it for